Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where text is pixelated or is not displaying properly in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to use the default resolution and scaling. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select display, change the scale to the recommended one and change the display resolution to the recommended one as well. The next solution is to update the graphics card drivers. How would you do that? Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and display drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers. The last solution is to reinstall the graphics card drivers. Search for Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and select uninstall device. Then click on action and scan for hardware changes. Repeat it with the second one, uninstall the device, click on action and scan for hardware changes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.